but I'm blessed. Didn't know it'd take me past my destiny. You're behind me with the rest, 'cause I'm a mess. No more you.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an extreme clean and disinfect with me. I don't know if you guys know or not, but me and my whole household caught COVID-19, unfortunately. I thank the Lord that none of us had any major illnesses, but I am disinfecting my home, and I'm going to start off by cleaning all of our sheets on our bed, and I'm going to wash them with some laundry sanitizer and get it all freshened up and cleaned and ready.
For the new you, like I'm old news in your review mirror. It must be nice, you went and got a penthouse, all your friends partying is real loud. Brand new money with a brand new chest.
So I'm going to use this Lysol spray to wipe down the whole household. Everywhere that I can think of that we put our hands on, I'm going to try to clean that with some Lysol spray. I already did a little pre-cleaning before this video, but I just wanted to make sure that everything was just, you know, cleaned again in case I have company over or something. I don't want anything to be still lingering around in case someone decides to come to my home. So I'm going to clean off the entertainment center, and then I'm going to try to kind of like redecorate this entertainment center. I plan on mounting my TV on the wall, but until then I'm going to add a few little decorations on the side of the TV.
Everything is see-through, see-through. Everything is see-through, see-through. Yeah, yeah. Everything is see-through. How can I believe it when everything is see-through, see-through? Oh, you said things could only get better. I need it more than ever. They don't.
Now I'm going to be using this disinfectant spray to spray down the couches and the pillows. Like I said, I already kind of, did a little pre-cleaning and sprayed everything, but I wanted to do it again just to be precautious and make sure no more germs is lingering around. So after I spray everything, I will change out these Christmas pillows because I did not get a chance to, kind of like redecorate my house after Christmas because we caught COVID not long after we took some of these Christmas decorations down. So I'm going to be kind of like, doing a little bit of decorating in this video also in this living room.
You ain't gotta be see-through, see-through, yeah. You ain't gotta be so see-through. You ain't gotta be see-through, see-through, yeah. I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon, I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it. They don't know what they. I'm gonna try.
And now I'm wiping down the most highly touched area in the home, which is the front door and the side door. The doors in like our rooms and stuff, they usually stay open, so none of us really touch our doors. And that's just like the bathroom. Our doors usually stay open, so I already cleaned that already, but I had to clean, the front door and the side door again because that's the most highly touched area in the house. So now I'm vacuuming the dining room and the living room, and then you guys will see me use my steam mop to get those floors disinfected and clean good. I heard that the steam mop works really well because of that hot steam, the heat. supposedly cleans germs better. So I decided to use my steam mop after I vacuum to disinfect my floors.
It's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream, dream. Dream, dream. I'm gonna try, gonna try, gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, gonna cry, gonna cry. Chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get
Now I'm going to be wiping down my white cabinets. They were filthy dirty anyway and needed to be cleaned. But this is a highly touched area also. So I'll be cleaning these cabinets and the handles and stuff to make sure that it's disinfected and cleaned very well. And I decided to clean behind my microwave because it had a lot of crumbs behind there. I don't know if you guys can see in this video, but it has so many crumbs that had kind of got behind there. So I decided to vacuum that up and wipe behind the microwave. So let's get into today's video scripture. It comes from Matthew 11:28 through 30. And you probably heard me say this scripture before if you've watched some of my videos. And some of these scriptures may be a little repetitive, but that's okay because the more you hear it, the more it sinks in your spirit. So from Matthew chapter 11, verses 28 through 30, it says, "Come to me, all who labor and are heavy burdened. I will give you rest. Take my yoke upon you and learn from me, for I am gentle and lowly in heart, and you will find rest for your souls. For my yoke is easy and my burden is light."
Living for weekends, wishing I could take a break from this world. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, finally, finally. I wanna be free. Finally, 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 finally. I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground. I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally.
Now we're going to clean this good old bathroom. As far as this bathroom, the toilet I cleaned the toilet last night in both bathrooms because it was just ridiculous and I could not wait for this video. So if you don't see me clean the toilet, it's already been cleaned the night before. So I'm cleaning the bathroom. This is the guest bathroom. And again, I'm going to wipe down every area that I feel like has been touched a lot. And I'm going to be vacuuming, steam mopping, and I'm going to be washing my mats on the floor. Okay, so while everything is in the washing machine and dryer, I'm going to go ahead and clean our bedrooms. My daughter bed on the side, if you see that bed has not been cleaned because she does not sleep in her bed. She refuses to sleep in her bed. So she either sleeps in the bed with me or her brother. So I'm not going to worry about washing those sheets, but I did spray it with Lysol if you were wondering. So I'm wiping down, like I said, areas that have been touched a lot. So the dressers, the desk, the computer, all that. And now I'm vacuuming like the other rooms. I'm going to vacuum and I'm going to steam mop in here also.
But no, she's a roller coaster. Oh, she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try again. No, no, I ain't giving you up. No, I'm giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. No, oh, giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. No, giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. No. Love the way we are together. Again, we always say this.
Same thing for the master bedroom. I'm cleaning and wiping down highly touched areas. I'm going to be vacuuming and mopping. And I'm going to clean the master bathroom. I'm going to vacuum that and mop that also.
I give you what you want, girl, I'll take you where you go blind. You say that I'm just wasting my time. You say you're too hard to handle and full of doubts. Say that I should give you up, find someone better, but baby you're not. She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's a flame. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her. She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. And try again. No, no, I ain't giving you up. Get up and try again. Giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. I get up and try again. Giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. I ain't never gonna give you up. Giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. No, giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. I get up and try. Giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. Get up and try. Giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. No, giving you up. No, no, I ain't giving you up. No. Come find me in the night. We both know when it's right. Babe, I can ease your mind, but I want it my way.
If you guys are enjoying this video so far, make sure you hit that like button. Hit it right now. Press pause, and hit that like button, and also hit that subscribe button if you're enjoying this video. Ooh, child. So by now I am exhausted, y'all. I was so tired. My back was hurting. I didn't clean this whole house from top to bottom. Washed sheets, wiped down, vacuumed, mopped, all the above. I did not clean our third bedroom because nobody goes in there. Nobody has been in there. So I decided to just, kind of let that room go by. But now I am going to put our freshly washed, sanitized sheets back on our bed. And y'all, we are ready for the work week. We are ready for the following week, for school and all that. Well, the kids are already back in school. So I think this day was like a Monday when I filmed this video. So the kids were already back to school and everything is just freshly washed and just ready for the week. And yeah, so next I'm going to be putting my sheets on my master bedroom bed, and that'll be the end of the video, you guys.
So many questions that I wanna ask you, but I can find the reasons why. You always find a small excuse to leave. What's your excuse to make me cry? My love was lost when you...
So you guys have reached the end of this video. I'm going to show y'all some after shots of the home and how clean it is and fresh. It feels so good to have this done and have my house cleaned, so we can just move on with our life post-COVID. I hope you guys are having a great day, and if you don't mind, hit that subscribe button and that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a wonderful and blessed day and be safe.